Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is Motorola G75, and in this video I am going to show you how to enable OK Google on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings. Next we have to scroll down and find Google option, and right here we have to click on all services, and here we have to choose Search Assistant and Voice and Google Assistant. Now we are in the Google Assistant settings, where we have to click on the first option, Hey Google and Voice Match. Now we have to click on this button, and right here we have to agree. Now we have to activate Voice Match for Hey Google, and as you can see, Hey Google is ready. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!